I would like to make an hamburger. First things first, we're gonna season our meat with some salt and pepper. Then we're gonna add some cheese. The cheese part is optional. But here's where we really have some fun. So we're gonna roll it up into a ball. I'm just fast forwarding through this part because actually kind of took a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna roll it up into a ball and then we're gonna actually shape it into a patty. We roll it up just to make sure all the stuff is in there, like all the salt and pepper, and it's like mixed well throughout the burger. We're gonna do medium high just because the cast iron gets super hot and we don't want to burn the burger. Just keep on cooking it until you don't see any more pink, because that means it's raw meat. Tomato is optional, but if you do decide to get a tomato, don't cut it like me. I don't know why I cut it like this, but yeah, all that works just for one slice of tomato. If you have a head of lettuce, just like take a piece off. Alright, and when your burger is done, you just slap it on the bun. Now you add some tomato, lettuce. I like to use steak sauce. And I put it on the top of the bun just because it was easier than putting it on the lettuce and it would fall off, yeah. So then you have a burger. Alright, well, enjoy. Hopefully your burgers turn out better than mine. But honestly, mine still tasted pretty good. Alright, and if you made it this far, just go ahead and please give the video a like and subscribe.